On guys, Jake Tiesler, the latest Mustang and automotive news. Hit the subscribe button if you want to stay updated with the latest Mustang and automotive, especially Bronco news. Hit the links below if you'd like to support the channel. Today's video, we're going to look at the two-door Bronco. We got some new spy photos. Wanted to post this before I head out the door for the day. The previous video over on the Bronco 60 forums, we've got a 2-inch lift with 37s. There's like 700 people that have reserved the Ford Bronco already. There's a little blurb about the 15 different Easter eggs, the full chassis. You can look at all the four-wheel drive system, the suspension setup and everything like that, and basically all the different available models and trims. So go over to Bronco 6G, check that out. Let's check the photos. So these were spotted in Michigan from a guy over here on the forums. Basically, it looks like this is a two-door Bronco. It's hard to tell. So if this is, I don't know if this is the lighting or if this is actually blue or what's going on here. Obviously, these are not full-on production models. These are, I'm assuming these are close to production, but they're obviously hiding something under the hood. And you've got a little bubble there. I don't know if that's the factory. You have to look at the other photos and see if that factory line is already there or not. But you definitely have, I don't have all the trims memorized either, but you got this big roll bar, so you have to check out and see what trim model this is maybe, and you can figure all that stuff out, guys. But this is definitely these are the Sasquatch package wheel and tire, which is, if you don't know, it's 35s. You get 4.7 gear ratios in the front and rear with locking front and rear, and upgraded, a little bit of upgraded in the suspension. Oh, and the bigger fender flares that will accept these big 35s. So Sasquatch package is the if you're gonna get anything, that's the one you want to get, and that's what this looks like it has. And the Sasquatch package looks really cool on the two-door because, the four doors are bigger truck, the two doors are smaller, so it makes the wheels and tires look bigger. I mean, like, look how big this wheel looks on the back of this truck, right? It's like almost the whole size of this. It's over 50% of the rear of this vehicle. So it's pretty cool. Big fenders. Look how wide those flares are. So pretty aggressive looking. And like I said, if you want to look at the forums and look at all the, just go over there and check that out. On the Bronco Instagram, basically, more videos of the Bronco. And like I said, I was impressed by the Bronco Sport. I thought it was going to be a flop. I thought it was going to not really be off-road capable. It looks like it is going to be decent. Yeah, so that's what we got. That's today's news. If anything else comes out today, I'll post it when I get done later on in the evening. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, stay up to date with the latest Bronco and automotive news, and hit the links below if you'd like to support the channel. And I'll keep you guys updated with Bronco news as soon as it comes out. Catch the next video.